Okay, we are eating escargot in France with Mr. Chris Fernandez, Mr. Fernandez, and he's gonna show us how we do it around here.
Maybe not right now.
Well, maybe not right now. Cindy's salad.
Salad.
Wow, that's crazy.
I have to
But
picture of your escargot.
this is the escargot
Nice.
right here, and Cindy's gonna take my video. So we go like this, like this. I hope I don't fly it around. Here we go like this, and then you do it out like this, and then you pucker up your lips like this, and you bat your eyes like this.
Mmm. Yummy. I like try one. I never tried one in my life.
So,
Bye.
I
This
think
is
that one
rare?
is rare.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, try.
Medium. Yeah, medium.
Medium,
What
yeah.
is this one?
This one is a medium.
Yeah, that's the good shot.
Mine one is a rare.
I said,
Rare. Oh, there you go. All
more
right.
mustard. Ooh, that's good.
Ooh, Chris, let me see that first bite, Chris.
Oh,
Oh,
scary.
yeah. French fries are weird.
I have enough salad.
She go. And Darlene, the queen of pasta.
What's in it?
Wow.
What do you have in it? Chicken?
It's good.
Ham and bacon. Oh, ham and bacon.
And Cindy.
Aha, meat at last. Thank you, thank you.
Awesome. And then mine, the red cow.
The red cup. Oh,
Cindy
that's why I
Bulaga.
had the red cup.